Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve Business and Newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 24, 2023. Very hard Sudoku. Column E, 7th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 5th grid. 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 8, 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 8th row. We have pair numbers 2, 1, 9. So 2, 1, 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 7th row. We have 4, 1, 7. The 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column B on 2nd grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 3rd grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 2nd grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 2nd grade, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 9th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 2. 2nd row, we already get 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 4th row, we have 6 and 8, so 6 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 3rd grade, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 4. 3rd grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8. 3rd grade, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 6th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column J, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 2nd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 1st grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 9 and 5. So 9 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column C, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 5th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. Column B, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. 7th row, we already get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 6th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, 9th row, column C, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. 9th row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 3rd row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6. 8th row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. 10th row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we added 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then the column G, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.